In this video, we'll show you how to set up shipment templates in Shipmondo. Shipment templates save your most used shipping settings, so you don't have to re-enter them each time you create a shipment. They can be used for preferred carrier products and services, or for web shops with multiple delivery methods, allowing you to automatically create shipments when handling orders in Shipmondo. Let's create a shipment template. Start by logging into your Shipmondo account. Click Settings, Freight, and then Shipment Templates. Click the plus button in the lower right-hand corner to create a new template and give your template a name. In this example, we're creating a template for personal service point, so we'll name it that. If you want the template to be used as the default shipping product, check Preferred Shipment Template. If you want to offer more delivery options, leave it unchecked. Next, select the sender country and receiver country. Then choose a carrier. Here we'll choose personal and the shipping product service point. Now choose which shipping agreement you want to use. We'll use Shipmondo's agreement with personal here. If you have your own freight agreement, you can choose this instead. If you want, you can select additional carrier services, such as email and SMS notifications or extended insurance. The available services will vary depending on the carrier. Next, add collis and select the quantity and weight. We'll go ahead and set the weight to 1 kilo. If you have an order integration set up, and if Use Transferred Weight is enabled, the system will automatically use the weight from the order items instead of the template weight. Lastly, add any additional details such as service point types or references, and click Save. If you have an order integration set up, the template can now be connected to delivery methods. And that's it. If you need help setting up shipment templates, our customer success team is ready to assist you.